Hey, this is Steve from B&M, and today we're going to go over an in-depth look at things you should consider when purchasing an automatic transmission for your vehicle. What sets B&M automatic transmissions apart from other manufacturers is the pump has been rebuilt to our specs. The factory friction plates have been replaced with high-performance friction plates that can handle the increased load by performance engines. In turn, this extends the clutch life and offers more holding power and less slippage, resulting in better performance through the gears. Also, the friction valve body has been recalibrated to our specifications for optimal line pressure and shift points. B&M offers Ford, GM, and Mopar transmissions in either 3 and 4-speed two-wheel drive applications, along with a few GM 4-wheel drive applications. Here is some of the information you will need to help decide which transmission is right for your application. First, you'll need to decide whether you want a 4-speed or a 3-speed transmission. Some of the factors that help determine this are, is your car a 3-speed and you want to keep it factory stock, or is performance your main concern? Second, what is your rear end gear ratio? With a 4-speed automatic, you ideally want a lower gear ratio like a 355 or 373 gears. This gives you much better acceleration while also retaining an optimal RPMs at highway speeds for fuel economy. If you have a taller gear ratio like a 273 or a 308 and you don't want to do a gear change, or you want to keep your car equipped as it came from factory, then you may want to stick with the 3-speed. Choosing the proper transmission will keep your engine RPMs down at highway speeds for maximum economy, reduce engine wear, and improve fuel mileage. B&M offers 2 lines of transmissions to choose from, our Traveler Series and our Straight and Strip models. For light truck, RV, and towing application, our Traveler Series transmissions are the way to go since they have the increased fluid capacity and other internal modifications that address the additional heat when towing. For street driving or for your weekend trips to the drag strip, you should consider one of our Street and Strip transmissions that are built for high performance driving. When replacing or rebuilding your transmission, there are a few other products that you should seriously consider replacing at the same time. First on the list is whether you need a higher stall torque converter. Say if you did a cam swap, for example, now is a good time to address the converter stall speed. Most camshaft manufacturers will usually include a spec card with a recommended stall speed on the card that matches the camshaft, or you can always call the experts at B&M. Second, we highly suggest replacing your transmission cooler with a new one. The reason for this is because over time all the wear and tear on the clutches, metal shavings circulate through the new transmission, the transcooler, the torque converter, and so on. You don't want to contaminate that new transmission. Heat is the enemy, and our B&M high-tech supercoolers keep the transmission fluid cooler, which results in better performance, reliability, and longevity. The transmission coolers that are built into the radiators are generally fine to reuse with a stock application, as long as you have the radiator flushed out by a professional shop. Otherwise, considering adding a new B&M supercooler, which starts off around $76. It will be the best investment you can make for your transmission. If you have limited space in front of your radiator to mount the cooler, B&M has you covered with one of our universal supercoolers that have the electric fan as part of the assembly. This allows the freedom to mount the cooler in certain places they may not have a lot of airflow. These units are thermostatically controlled to turn off and on predetermined temperatures. The third thing to consider is replacing out your worn out flex plate. We have flex plates that are both SFI approved and non-SFI approved. Choosing a new B&M flex plate is determined by the ring gear teeth count or if your motor is internally or externally balanced. If you're unsure, please give our B&M techs a call. Some of the advantages of the B&M flex plates are heavy duty construction, high quality cadmium plating versus raw steel or painted, and we have a number of SFI approved flex plates for racing. Another important factor to consider is will your transmission be used for heavy duty, such as racing, towing, or off-roading? If so, then you may want to add a B&M high-tech deep transpan. B&M high-tech deep transpans will add more fluid capacity. Our fin aluminum construction will help dissipate the heat much quicker than a steel pan. Also, most high-tech transpans offer a temperature gauge port used for the optional temperature gauge. Most transmission failures can be traced back to excess heat. Again, heat is the enemy of the automatic transmission. For full control of your new transmission, B&M offers a full lineup of performance shifters for your 2-speed, 3-speed, and 4-speed automatic transmissions. Be sure to check out our website for more details. If you decide to upgrade your vehicle's transmission to a GM 4L60 or 4L80 4-speed automatic, you will need a B&M Shift Plus 2 electronic controller. Think of this as the brain for your transmission. It comes fully configured and ready to go. Just plug, drive, and no tuning necessary. The unit is also programmable, but it is fully self-contained and does not require a laptop. You can adjust the firmness of the shift points, and the torque converter lockup, and more. Lastly, use a high-grade transmission fluid for your automatic transmission, like the B&M Racing Trick Shift Fluid. It offers superior protection with a special blend of foam inhibitors, extreme pressure agents, and shift modifiers to help extend the life of your transmission and dramatically improve that shift quality. Keep in mind the B&M Trick Shift is not compatible with electronic transmissions. For electronic transmissions, use your factory recommended transmission fluid. B&M offers a wide variety of automatic transmissions and popular transmission accessories such as auto and manual shifters, rebuild kits, and shift improver kits, and more. All B&M Transmissions products are backed up by B&M's limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. I hope this clarifies what to consider when purchasing or upgrading to an automatic transmission for your ride. Be sure to check out our website at bnmracing.com, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our B&M YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.